I got a message from Matt and Tammy and Adriana and Lucian saying their house is chilly and even the garage door was not installed properly. Well, it's okay because I've got Ryan from Rocky Mountain Exteriors, I've got Darren from Urethane Foam Coatings, and we're gonna fix their chilly house. This is the punch list.
I'm Tammy.
I'm Matt.
I'm Asia.
And I'm Lucian.
So this is our house, kitchen and dining room, which we absolutely love.
So the only problem with our house is we have an unfinished garage, and the unfinished garage is causing parts of the house to be cold. Also, we had a slight renovation into the garage where they added in a man door. The contractor was, let's say, a little unreliable, and they kind of hacked the job in and didn't finish. So basically, it looks like they took a Sawzall and just cut a hole out of the side of our garage and threw in a door.
It's been like that for 10 years. So in addition to our garage door, the garage has no insulation on the ceiling, which then makes our bonus room freezing.
It kind of sucks hanging up out there because when you want to have like a movie night or something, it's really freezing and then you need all these blankets and everything. Jonathan, please go help my dad fix the garage. It's freezing in there.
This is gonna be great. They have no idea it's actually me showing up at the house, and I think they might be surprised. Whoa! Hi guys!
Welcome to our home!
Surprise!
No!
I'm not selling anything.
Wow.
I think you passed out. Well, get group hug. Hi guys. How are you guys? You look so surprised. Why are you crying? Oh my goodness.
She's so surprised.
What's happening? How are you? Nice to see you guys.
Okay,
How are you? Problem is, if you have tears, they might freeze because I hear you have chill problems all over the house.
We have a really cold garage.
Very common, that means your insulation wasn't done right.
No.
The other thing, you have a door that was cut in that looks like maybe a rabid raccoon chewed it open on the side.
Pretty much.
Okay, well, we're gonna fix that. I've got Ryan and Darren here. We've got spray foam. We've got everything we need to fix both the problems.
Fantastic.
All right?
Nice.
Show me where the garage door
Down
is.
to the garage.
So, this is the door, and this was not originally put in by the builder.
No.
Yeah, I can tell. How long have you been in this house?
11 years.
11 years.
11. It's been like this for 11 years?
For 11 years.
What? Okay, all right.
It's kind of fallen down to the bottom of the honey to-do list.
Who put the door in?
It was a couple of, I want to say kids in their early 20s saying that they were contractors.
Okay,
And they literally came to the door and they said, yes.
If somebody came to the door and said, I'm gonna cut a hole in your house, what would you say?
I'd say no way and slam the door.
Exactly!
Yeah.
Now you learn. And so this is the bonus room up here, and do you think the chill is coming mostly, oh, this is fully exposed on this side.
Yep.
Where's the coldest part in that room? Is it right on this wall?
Right there, yep.
Okay, that is gonna be pretty easy for us to fix, but we will get this taken care of. In the meantime, what do you guys need to warm up? Do you have hot chocolate inside?
Yeah, we do.
Oh, do we? We do.
Get making the hot chocolate and I will get pulling this stuff apart. This is so bad. What contractor does that? Need to do a couple inches
A couple inches should do it.
all the way across, and then that'll also give us a moisture barrier too.
Yeah.
Didn't realize I was moving people as well. Oh, suitcases.
Hey, Jonathan, we brought you hot chocolate.
Yay! While you guys are here, I could use your help. Can I help you for a
Okay.
second? When we put the new door in, we want to put the good foam in it. Hold on. I need you guys to help me shake the cans because we have to shake the cans for 30 seconds. 2, 3, go! Oh my goodness. Behind the back. Over here. Trading. Switch. So much shaking happening. Done. With this you get 4 times the density for better insulation, better durability. It seals out air, moisture, pests, everything. See, you just get all the crews here, you get the right people, you get it done. Because how long have you been waiting to have this done?
Over 10 years.
10
Yeah.
years.
Over 10 years.
That's crazy.
10
Yep.
years.
Yeah.
Okay, well, fortunately, it is done right, because this looks like
Yeah.
the space. You guys must use the space a lot.
We do.
Yes,
Oh, yeah.
we have
We do.
movie
Yeah.
nights here.
Okay, well, now it's going to be toasty, it's going to be warm. How does it feel to have this all done like that?
Fantastic.
Big relief on my part.
I'm glad I was able to help you out, and just in case you have any more drafts or air leaks or anything that you find, I'm gonna leave you guys with 2 more cans.
Fantastic.
I'm gonna give you guys these.
Beauty.
Ah.
Yeah.
10 years you've been waiting for this to get done, and we got it done just like that. It's
Yeah.
because we're using the right tools and we got the right people.
Yeah.
Group hug.
Awesome.
All right,
Fantastic.
see you guys out here. I'm gonna miss you too. I love fixing people's problems. Maybe I'll fix your problems, because this is the punch list.
Yay, only took 10 years.